So vinegar removes smells from rooms and fridges. All you have to do is just leave a bowl overnight. White vinegar is a natural deodorizer thanks to its acetic acid, which neutralizes bad smells instead of just masking them. If your fridge smells like last week's leftovers or a room has a musty odor, placing a small bowl of vinegar inside or on the counter overnight can freshen the air. The vinegar absorbs strong odors like fish, onions, or smoke, leaving the space much cleaner smelling by morning. Baking soda puts out small grease fires. It's actually safer than using hash chemical. When cooking oil catches fire, never use water. It can make the flames explode. But baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a safe, natural fire extinguisher for small kitchen grease fires. It releases carbon dioxide when heated, smothering the flames and cutting off their oxygen. Just toss a handful onto the fire if it's still small, to stop it quickly. Always keep a box nearby while cooking. Rice keeps salt from clumping. That's why you see grains in the salt shaker. Ever wonder why there's rice in some salt shakers? It's not for flavor, it's for freshness. Rice is a natural moisture absorber. When humidity sneaks into a salt shaker, salt can clump together and stop shaking out. The dry rice grains soak up that moisture, keeping the salt free-flowing. It's a clever old trick used in homes and diners all over the world. So, onions absorb odors. Some people leave a cut onion out to trap germs and smells. For generations, people have believed that sliced onions can soak up bad smells and airborne germs from the air. While science hasn't proven that onions actually trap viruses or bacteria, their sulfur-rich compounds do absorb strong odors from nearby foods, like garlic or fried fish. That's why some folks place half an onion in a room or fridge overnight to freshen the space. Toothpaste can clean foggy headlights. It buffs out the cloudiness. Toothpaste isn't just for your teeth, it's also great for polishing plastic. Car headlights often get cloudy or yellow over time due to sun exposure and weather. The mild abrasives in white non-gel toothpaste can gently scrub away this foggy layer. Just apply it to the headlight with a cloth, rub in circles and rinse off to see a clearer, brighter light. It's an easy DIY fix with a minty bonus.